Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to find your eBay account. Now let's get started. First of all, open any browser that you want. I'm going to use Chrome. Tap on it and search www.ebay.com over here. Now tap on the website. If you aren't already logged in, you will need to sign into your account. Here I'm using the website because I have already logged into my app. You can also use the app to find your account if you haven't logged in. All the further process are same on the website and app. So you don't have to worry that there will be the differences between the process. Now let's dive into the topic again. Now tap on the twisted lines on top right corner. Tap on it. And here you can see an option for sign in. Tap on it. Then you will be asked to enter your registered email address or username followed by your password. If you have forgotten either, click on the forget password to reset it. Over here, I'm going to directly sign in using my Google account. Tap on continue with Google if you want to use your Google account directly. Now tap on your Gmail account. You can sign in using your fingerprint, space or PIN. Press skip it for now. Tap on skip for now. Once you're logged in, hover your name or profile icon at the top right of the page. It's over here. Tap on it. And it took me to my app. Now tap on my eBay and bottom left, and over here you can see your account, and that's it. That's how you will find and access your eBay account. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.